Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm showing you all my outgoing mail for September. So for the entire month of September I filmed every piece of outgoing mail. Sometimes it will be like this where you only see the closed envelope, and sometimes I also show you what is inside. I also sometimes forgot to film it, and then I included a picture, or I will just tell you about it. The first one I'm showing you is this yellow and green mail. This is a letter to my childhood friend Vita. We actually are still in touch via letters. And I made 2 envelopes from magazine paper, and then I punched out some of these shapes with my paper punches to write down the letter, the page number on. I also made that small envelope from magazine paper, and I covered the inside with some green paper, and in there are just a bunch of stickers, because who doesn't love stickers, and a little washi tape sample and some tea, because you're supposed to read letters with tea, right? So yeah, letters for us have been a really great way to keep in touch, because I sometimes am really overwhelmed if I have to stay in touch with all of my friends via WhatsApp. For some reason, letter writing just seems more relaxed, and there's less pressure with letter writing. I mean, if it takes you a few weeks, that's normal. If you do not reply to a text message in a few hours, then people always assume something is wrong. I just like to take my time. So I'm picking out some stamps. Yeah, I like to try and match my envelopes to, or my stamps to the envelope, but because I usually get stamp packages, which is a little bit cheaper, you can get them at postzegels.korting.nl. Because I usually get those packages, I cannot choose my stamps, which usually means that I'm left with a lot of ugly stamps. And then I just have to see if I can use them in some way. And then I'm obviously making a wax seal stamp. I think I'm doing 1 or 2 wax seal stamps in this video. So if you don't care for wax seal stamps, then don't worry, it's not gonna be that long. And if you do love wax seal stamps, then I suggest you go watch some of my other wax seal compilation videos, because I've done a few of those. So I mixed 2 colors of green, one more gold and one dark green, and look at that! We're making a wax seal stamp. So in the beginning of this month I managed to write a few letters. This one to my friend Vita, and also the one I briefly showed to Roxanne, and some other ones. But at the end of the month, which is now, it's not going that great with letter writing. Finished wax seal, isn't that gorgeous? It's not really going that great with letter writing because my head is just not in the right place. I just haven't been feeling that great. And this is a little happy mail, like not really happy mail. This is a random act of kindness to Amy. Amy is called Fruity Foodie here on YouTube. You may have seen her around. Well, basically I just sent her a bunch of goodies. She also posted a picture of that on her Instagram, and I will show a snap of that at the end of this video. Those are my new stickers. I'm obsessed with them. They say ThePaperLetterBlog, and they're sparkly, which is really, really cool. And then these are the address labels I made. I mean, like, I printed them on paper and I put them on there with glue. And then again, one of those sparkly stickers. Absolutely love them. I originally ordered them for Swapbot before I knew that I would be getting the PO box. But oh my god, I'm like, I don't know why, but this feels really, really cool to have my own stickers. I'm such a noob. But yeah, this is a happy mail that went out to Becca. Becca is basically my online pen pal, and I decided to send her a little happy mail. And I am in love with that stamp. So I made her sea-themed happy mail, and I also made a video of that, so I will show you that someday soon. Then this is the happy mail that I sent to Roxanne. I already uploaded a project share / envelope decorating video for that one, so if you want to check that out, I will link it down below. This is a very ugly video. I don't know what my phone camera did, but that's just a postcard I sent to Kira Pace. Go check her out. She has an amazing YouTube channel, and I just wanted to get a close-up of that kitty stamp. So cute. Whew, I'm going through this so quickly. I have to talk so much, but this is a Happy Meal swap. No, I'm saying it wrong. This is a paper swap that I did with Daphne. She basically had some grid paper which I was looking for, vintage grid paper, and I sent her a bunch of vintage papers in return. So that's just like a little bundle of pretty vintage paper. Some of it is so old, it feels so special. Like you don't want to touch it too much because you're afraid the paper's gonna break. Then some craft paper tags and stickers, and some note papers, and some sparkly vellum papers, and some doilies, and a lot of... She said that she likes darker colors, so I picked a lot of paper with darker colors like purple and brown. And she already received it, and she said that she really liked it, so I'm really glad. Then I'm making another wax seal for this. That's just a wax seal stamp, like a wax seal that didn't work out, so I just broke it apart and put it back in the stove to melt it again. Like you can just remelt it. It's really easy. And I picked out a stamp which you will see in a second, and I'm just pouring. And this is basically, again, I think it's the dark green and the gold green, but different quantities, and I think it turned out so pretty. And that is something new that I'm doing. I'm like dripping little drops of wax on the paper. I know it's not new, but I recently started doing it, so to me it's new. It looks just like you're really messy, but I think that looks kind of cool. Impatiently waiting for the wax to cool down, and I think I'm going to show you in a second. Yeah, there we go. And it's the little bee, which is still one of my favorite designs, and I'm just coloring in that in with a gold paint pen, and then I'm tapping it to get rid of the bowls, and it's so pretty. Look at that gold. I'm so obsessed with wax seals, and I know a lot of people have messaged me that they're also obsessed now, which is kind of cool. Then this giant envelope is going to Nikki in Australia. I really hope it reached her by now. I loved the stamps that I picked out for this one and the vintage illustration on the front. Now, I'm having some issues with my camera. This is perfectly clear. That's just, again, a bundle of vintage paper with some twine, wrapped with twine, and then wax seal on top. And now I'm having some issues with my focus, and it's going away in a second, I promise, but this is basically invisible. So in that little pocket I put these incredibly cute puffy stickers and some tea. And this is, I'm really sad that this is so blurry, because this is the Happy Meal that we made in my first ever live stream. We used a pretty card that I got from Science Notes, mother and daughter on Instagram. We used that beautiful card to make a loaded greeting card. So there is a little collage and an envelope on the left, which you will see in a second, and a vellum pocket on the right. And in that envelope are a whole lot of stickers, as much as I could fit in there. I promise you will get to see it in a second. This is just like sneak peek version. I'm just picking out a sticker to close that envelope. But yeah, this is the first subscriber mail that we made in a video in the live stream. Yay! So now you can see it. That's what you were supposed to see. The vellum pocket, washi tape samples, and a lot of Project Life cards, which I really love, especially the pineapple one, and I'm just tying that up with a little ribbon. So I think most of the mail I've showed you here today is subscriber mail, as is this one. This was a reply to a beautiful mail that Nikki sent me. So I just tucked in the paper goodies, the card, and my letter to her. And also, this is also a subscriber reply again. This is going to Rebecca in Australia as well, which is quite funny. They're like going in bunches. 2 of them to Australia, 2 of them to the USA. So that is for Rebecca. I made a decorated gift bag, which I'm absolutely in love with. I will show you again in a second. And I'm just quickly browsing through the goodies I put in there. So what I did is I got a gift bag that I have and I decorated it with Maggie Holmes items, a little doily on the bottom, and then these die cuts. I stamped hello on there and I glued down some sequins, and I'm so in love with it. The top one is just a Penpal letter. Whew, this is going so quickly. The bottom one is a letter and a tiny loaded greeting card for Roxanne. Roxanne was actually my first subscriber from the Netherlands to send me mail in the PO box. So I sent her this cute little mail as a reply. Some stickers and tea on the left. And then in the envelope on the right are a bunch of die cuts. But I loved how that was like fitting perfectly. So I decided not to open it. It's a little surprise for Roxanne. She already received it and she was really, really happy because I said in the beginning that I wouldn't reply to all mail, but so far I've been doing quite well. That's not a promise though. Some happy birthday mail for Roxanne, my pen pal. The other, oh, they're both called Roxanne, but it's not the same Roxanne actually. So that one went to my pen pal Roxanne. Whoa, and then the other one was a random act of kindness. This is also a random act of kindness, and another birthday mail for Gijs's sister. That is outgoing subscriber mail again. This went to Katarina. I hope it has reached her by now. I made a video of that, so you will see how I made that very, very soon. This is going so quickly, I can't keep up. That is a swap I did with Jenny. Both of us got a different Paper Gang box this month. If you want to see my Paper Gang unboxing, I will also link that down below. Both of us got different stickers, so we decided to swap 2 stickers. And I included some extra goodies. So all of that wrapped in twine is all different paper from different Paper Gang boxes. And these are actually the stickers we're swapping. So she has a different design, so I sent her 2 and she's going to send me 2 as well. I just included a bunch of other goodies, a flow tag and a bunch of stickers, some puffy stickers, some gold foiled stickers, these pretty circles. And that, I think that's actually one of the only swaps I did this month. Then, wow, I'm so happy with this. You can see it by the way I move this around. I'm so excited. This is actually something we made in the second live stream. Yay, Bailey, if you're watching, click away now if you don't want spoilers. So that is the pocket letter we made in the second live stream. I don't think I've ever been this happy with something I made under pressure before. First of all, thank you all for watching the live stream. I had so much fun and I hope you did too. Together we created this little woodland themed pocket letter. I don't know why, but I love it so much. The color combination, all the little sequins in the top left and the bottom right pocket, the little die cuts, I don't know. This is only my second ever pocket letter and it might already be one of my favorite Happy Meal projects so far. Then these 2 actually went out today. The left one that I'm showing you now is an order from my Etsy shop. She ordered these cute hair ties and I included some extras. And I wrote a little note on that blue piece of paper. So that one went to the UK today. And then this one is a little happy mail for my cousin Dagmar. We're also in touch now via mail. I don't know why, but it's just way more fun to write someone an actual letter than to send them a message. And she made me a flipbook, which is so cool. I will show you that in a video sometime. So I made her a flipbook in return. I tried to just go with the flow, not overthink it. I made her a sea-themed flipbook as well because I was just enjoying the goodies. On the left, on that pocket, I put a sticker and I actually doodled some things. I don't know if you saw that. And then on the inside of the pocket of the envelope, we have a lot. We have a tag, which I decorated, a bag with a lot of die cuts, that funny card of a kiddo, and I wrote a message on there, and a puffy sticker. Whew, this is going way too quickly. And then on the inside, I just wrote Under the Sea and I decorated that with some stickers. And then that are again stickers, but the tag is actually a paint chip card from the local building store. So I covered up the back and I wrote tea for you, and it just holds some tea with a paper clip. And I tried not to overthink this meal, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I love that color combination of like purple and bluish green or greenish blue, I never know. And last but not least, some quick snapshots of subscriber mail that went out. First two are from Instagram and the others are taken by me. If you want to share a picture with subscriber mail or something you made for me, please feel free to tag me in it. I love seeing those pictures. And that's actually it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. PO box, address, and more information all in the description box down below. Okay, bye bye.